here we'll start with the second phase of ACL exercises, which will be post 2 to 3 weeks post-operative. So the first exercise in the second phase of strengthening will be a knee terminal extension. This is a progression of the previous exercise in which the patient is asked to keep a towel roll under the knee, press the knee down, but in this the patient is advised to lift his heel off the ground or off the bed and hold this position for 10 seconds. So patient has to lift his heel off the ground or the bed and hold this position for 10 seconds. Repeat this exercise for 10 times. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Relax. The second exercise will be a hamstring isometric, in which the patient is advised to keep the towel roll under the ankle, and he has to press the ankle down and hold this position for 10 seconds. This will activate the hamstring. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Relax. So the third exercise for the second phase of ACL rehab will be a prone knee flexion, in which the patient is advised to lie down on his belly and push back the joint. So the patient is advised to slowly bend the knee as much as he can. Do it for 10 repetitions. Okay. If the patient is unable to do the bending properly, he is advised to assist it with another leg and push it back. Relax. Pause. The last important exercise for second phase of ACL surgery will be a sit to stand position. The patient is advised to sit comfortably with the foot positioning down and little away from each other. Hands at the side. A chair or a sofa will be a comfortable position. From this position, patient is advised to stand independently. Initially, the patient will need some support and assistance of the couch, the chair, or a therapist's hand. But slowly, the patient has to progress this exercise to start standing unsupported. Now see, repeat this exercise for 10 to 15 times. Relax.